Hello guys, so today in this video I will be teaching you how to make the pineapple, I don't really know what, but yeah. No, actually do not add your pineapple. That's what most people make the mistake of. First, put a tiny bit of water in your bowl. Second, I forgot to grab this, my bad. Put that, make sure it doesn't spill, which mine did. So let's just go get a new one. Okay, so we got my new one. Anyways, fill it with the most tiny bit of water. You see this? This is the entire part where you add your seasoning. First, you get this. You get the pasta pesto. Just get this. Open that part, put this seasoning. Now, it may look like pasta, but it's actually seasoning. You just gotta do some research. Some more seasoning. I know it looks weird. A lot more seasoning. Then you need to get a room. Yes. Wait. I'm gonna leave that there. Might need some stuff in the fridge though. Okay, it's probably done. Yeah, look, it's out there. Okay. Oh, my hand. Okay, we're good. Put that boiling water in there. Throw that cup aside. Then you get that. So let's see what we got. This is gonna go amazing. You might want some actual vegetables. Taste way. Oh no. No. This is bad. Okay. Shoot, these are some important parts. Where's that? Okay. Mayo's good. We almost just lost our recipe. Anyways, you just let that rest for like a few minutes. And while that, I'm gonna go get a tiny bit more. No, that doesn't onion. Holy. You're about to see something different. And you know what? Let's just grab a drink. You know what? I'm gonna do a Coke. No, that's not a Coke. Oh, there's a Coke. Ah, shoot. We'll just grab that. Alright. We'll put that right there, and for a little snack we go. So, after you've waited, get knife should be here. No, yeah. So after you let that rest, you're gonna need this, some milk. Then you get the flour. Cut the bag, cut half. Put the rice, cut half. This is where you just start opening all your seasonings. Open everything, except your sauces, where canned goods. Just open every single thing. We'll get those. So, you see, we're done with that part. No way. There. So, then after that, wonder if there's anything cool. No. Alright, so after we do that, we get that. Now, you may be wondering, why not put salt? Now, this is the only thing you should not put yet. So first of all, get this. Dip it in water. Crisp the sides on a crisp. This is just optional, but it makes it a lot better. smooth out the sides of the box. And then you got your perfect pineapple slice. Start flattening that. You don't really need too much potatoes. I don't know why I got so much. Then the lime and avocados are gonna be left. But for the avocado, we might need something. Yeah, there she is. While we wait for a tiny bit, we're just gonna put some milk and wait. A fork, that's gonna be nice. We need that. This is for my meal part, though. So I really need it. Put in, get a cup about around this side. Mix your water, grab most of the cup, pour that much, 2 full scoops. After that, start avocadoing that. Get it to where it's a nice, crispy. Then move the avocado to your plate. Just leave it there. Leave that avocado. Leave it. Let it rest. So move the avocado gently as possible. Now make it stir. Because it's about to crack open. Once it's placed, the sauce, you just need a tiny bit of milk. Get that milk, open that lid, and do that mash. It's ready, the sauce. We got a different avocado just in case that one failed. So let's see if we can make it. Nope. To the mixture, you might want some mayo to make it just taste that. Hold that still. Now, after you whisk that up, take some of that, put that in the middle. Let it cool down. Then, get this. Make a U-shaped position. Then, you get that. Okay, my bad. This is the lime part. Watch this. Doesn't even know it's coming. Throw that. Throw that. Next up, get this. You're gonna make your pieces of radish. Now, we are holding this by a thread, making it count as green beans. But it will. We're good. You don't, I mean, you could use those, but we're not, so just get the throw. Now this is another secret. You may not know this, if you add just a tiny Swiss. It tastes. Then you open your can and you open your can and get that spoon. Keep doing that for the duration. Or you could just pour the entire thing, because that's what you're mostly doing. Then you open this, cutting the aisle, opening it slowly. And then grab your spoon and whoosh-ah, grab all this, mix her up. Tiny bit of water, tiny bit of water. Smash, smash, smash. Take that mixture and just start pouring that. Next up is our favorite. Now, this one you don't really need, but it just tastes so much better. Only 3 spoons around it. Smooth that. This is where this part comes in. It's important. I'm going to shake the knife around. Grab this spoon. Then just keep doing that. It's over. Now this one you could just open handily. Now you remember that mixture you made with the avocado? Pour that, slam it in. Now after that, you grab that salt, opening it and pouring some. Actually, and then take 1 spoon out. Dump it. I don't know why, but it always just makes it better. I may just pour like juice right. Then grab this. Start smoothing. Finally, gently grab your concoction. Gently grab it. Gently place it on your table. Gently. As you can see, this is what happens on. This is literally just ratatouille. Where's my mix? Oh. Fuck. I didn't know if you knew this, but you're supposed to heat up water. Now it's gonna get put tomato, salt, vinegar, and milk, and rice. You mix it, put in this, heat it, and pour it all. And then it's time to dig in. First, get your Coca-Cola or whatever drink you need. You could get fruit, you could get juice, get anything you need to make this smoothie. Just don't put it on there. For dessert, you're gonna be having. I just love a Coca-Cola. Just close that. My fork. Dang it, he put the movable tank. Said stop with the tank running. I don't like remote control things. Okay, so anyways, we're done with that. Just dig in. Oh my god. Now it's time for this masterpiece. Dig in, man. Just dig in. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh no. Hey, stop it. Stop. Oh my god. Give me more. Give me more. As you can see, I had a tiny dosage. I need more. Man, I'm thirsty. I haven't drinking in like a day. So after you finish your little run, we get a Nutella bar and smash that. We can't forget our dessert. Should we microwave it? Yeah. After it's finished. I might even just have some Nutella. You want? Man, that just, oh my God, that food. There's just so much. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Yes! Start eating. I just can't stop eating. Man. We also had this grilled potato from another video. I'm gonna stop planting these around the house.
Come on, let's go.
They just get a little toy for me.
For the Emperor.
This toy came with it. Do you feel the pain? Come on. Drake! Nah, it's going in the mark. You know what, I'm done. Wait, that and me too. Alright, we're good now. So, as you can see, I love my food. What's this? Keeps putting toys in the fridge. Alright, so that's probably this end of the video. Yeah. I may just drink some orange juice, I guess. I don't know if you want to watch, but yeah. Listen to this.